The 24-hour floor team recently came to the rescue of a battered kitchen floor at a popular hotel restaurant in Hollywood, Florida. We first covered and safeguarded everything in the kitchen that could not be removed. Grinders and other special equipment are used to create the proper concrete surface profile. Afterwards, HEPA filter vacuums are used to clean the surfaces. The pure polyurea base coat is mixed and is ready to be applied. After the base coat is applied, we broadcast multicolored vinyl flakes to the floor surface. This provides texture to the floor and creates a highly attractive appearance. Excess loose flakes are then scraped off. The polyurea polyaspartic top coat is applied to create a strong, durable surface. The color is twilight. The kitchen is back up and running and ready for business.